we're in my bathroom, and of course it's like this huge echo, so I apologize. Y'all know I don't usually talk in the bathroom, but this hair right now, like, I know, you know, the other YouTubers, they warned me that it's going to have like a luster to it for a couple of days, and I know that it'll probably wear down because this is something that Freetress does. But right now, like I like the hair, but the luster is killing me. Like, with the luster and the strong curl pattern, since I didn't break up my curls, I wanted a strong curl pattern, but because it's so strong and because this is so shiny, like, it's giving me ramen noodles right now. What do y'all think? Like, I'm seeing an old creamy chicken. What do you see? It's giving me creamy chicken. Ramen noodles, like, straight up. I don't know, y'all. So last night I didn't put it in like any kind of pineapple. I haven't washed it yet. All I did last night was lay down on it, and then I got up this morning and just started like trying to pick apart some of the curls, because that's what some of the other YouTubers I've seen them do. So I'm doing that, and like, I guess it's helped some. It's not as strong. It's still the luster. I'm not here for it. And the more I pick it apart, the bigger it gets. And I did want big hair to a certain extent. Like, I didn't want Mufasa, you know, but something, you know. So I might end up taking some of this out. I don't know yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm feeling a little better about it, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it and see what I can get her to do. Okay. That's a little better. I mean, I think it's giving me a little Mufasa. I don't know. But let's take it to the studio so we can talk about it a little bit more in this installation. One sec. I think it's gonna have to wear on me a little bit. Like, I like it, but it's not what I expected it to be. Like, I feel like it's a little different. Maybe that's because I'm used to like splitting my hair, and so that it's not so uniform, but it looks so pretty on everybody else being so uniform. So I was all over it, like, on other people. But for me, like, I don't know. I guess we'll see. But I do want to bring y'all some tea real quick. If y'all noticed in the beginning of the video, I had moisturized my hair, which, you know, I always do that, but I never do it on camera. But, so I have a hair somewhere. Okay, so before I braided my hair, you know, I always do this routine, but I tried a different product this time that I wanted to show you guys. This is Curltastic. You can see that. And y'all know, like, I'm allergic to everything, so it has to be natural, you know, of course. And it has like all this good stuff in it. It's got almond oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, all the stuff that, you know, I go to the grocery store and go get and I put in my hair. Like, basically it's this, right? And then afterwards, oh, and when I put this in, y'all, and, you know, I was sectioning off my hair to get ready to braid it, the curl, like my curl pattern, y'all, like, it was popping. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture for y'all so that y'all can see like the realness of the curl pattern. And that's no twist out, no nothing. That was just me putting this on, sectioning out my hair, clipping it up, and, you know, getting ready to braid it. That was it. Okay. So after that, after I braided my hair, then, you know, that's when I cut my cameras on and everything. And I moisturized like my scalp, which was with the, it's called LocDrip Moisturizing Growth Elixir. Y'all, like, it gives you like this tingling sensation. Like, if you have like an itchy scalp, like, I know a lot of crochet hair, some of it will make my scalp itch. Like, this right here will be the stuff in that situation. But even so, like, when I sprayed this on my scalp, y'all, it gives it like this tingling, cool feeling. I don't know. It's everything. But it's also natural. It's got all the other stuff that this has in there. Plus, it has like this peppermint and lavender. Tea tree oil, like, it's everything. It's everything. And it says it's supposed to strengthen, condition, stimulate, repair, and relief from itchiness and dryness. So maybe I'll give me some more inches, y'all. But anyway, like, this is some good stuff. Like, I'm really feeling like how this had my hair like popping, like the curls popping, and then this, how it had my scalp tingling, is everything. So I'm gonna put the information down below where you can see about ordering you some of this. As far as this hair goes though, let me know what y'all think. Like, is it too big? Is the curl pattern like too tight? Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's gonna have to grow on me. But as far as the installation goes, knot it 3 or 4 times. Again, you know, I did not separate the curls. And if you do try to do that, you can expect some difficulty, because even when I did separate it, like, you know, after the installation, because I was trying to, you know, get that ramen noodle look out my head, it was like tangling towards the end because the curls are so tight. So I don't even think water would help that. I know, you know, usually I'll spray water on it and rub the strand, you know, to get the little things that kind of twirl around them to make them tangle like that. So usually when I split it, you know, it's not a big deal. But for this, it is really tight. It's really tight, and it's probably going to frizz some. So just be careful with that if you're going to split it. If I would advise maybe installing it like I did, like just one strand at a time, and then going back and separating the curl if that's what you want to do. Because I had to cut, you know, some off because it was like knotted from me trying to separate it. So, I don't know. And I know that this isn't even a new hair, like Beach Curl by Freetress has been out for a very long time, but it's new to me. I've never done it. The closest I've done is like a Bahamas curl. I've never done Beach Curl. So, you know, I just wanted to try it for me and, you know, take y'all along on a journey, of course. Nope. No, y'all, I'm sorry. I could not do it. I couldn't do it. Like, I tried. I really, really, really tried. I pulled it apart. It just made it bigger. I took some out, made it look like it was missing something. I cut it in a bob. The bob was, it was okay. But every time somebody said, "Oh, I love your hair," I got mad. I literally was irritated because I hated it. I just hated it. It just wasn't for me. I don't know how y'all are putting that hair in and y'all make it look so damn good. But for me, it looked like some uncooked ramen noodles. I hated it. It lasted 3 days. 3 days. I gave it 3 days and I hated it. So I went to Beauty Supply Store after work and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get something that I know I'm going to like because I'm completely and utterly over my hair right now. If I put in something else right now that I don't like, I might go Britney Spears. Let me just get something I know I'm gonna like. Don't even worry about trying to record an installation video or like a whole nother one. Don't even worry about none of that. Because at that time, I was thinking, I've just screwed up. I gotta scratch the entire video. Like, I'm not gonna be able to, you know, put one out Tuesday. You know, just, you know me, like, just extra dramatic at that point. But, like, I don't know. I didn't even care. I didn't care. I was like, because, you know, when I buy hair, I'm thinking of, you know, okay, well, I need to be able to put something out on my channel. So it needs to be something that I haven't done yet. And of course, Ocean Wave, I've already done. I knew there was no video for Ocean Wave, but Ocean Wave is still by far my favorite. So I just put something in that was going to satisfy me, that I knew I was gonna like. So I just played it safe. And I just said, you know what? You know, every installation is just not a win all the time. So there's really no point in me scratching and dumping this whole video. Let me just go on and tell y'all, hey, sometimes shit just don't work out. Sometimes it's just not for you. You can install it beautifully. You know, it can be something for other people. They might like it, but sometimes it's just not for you and you don't like it and you just got to take that shit out. So that's what I did. I just took it out and I'm giving y'all this video anyway. And you know, y'all can just let me know what y'all think. If y'all liked it, let me know. I mean, I couldn't get with it. Like, I tried everything, you know, like I wasn't feeling it. It's just not for me. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. If you haven't joined me on my other social media platforms, please do. They're all listed under Shay Love Hair. That's Snapchat and Instagram. And then Facebook is We Love Hair. It's a group. So come join us and chat up with us. So anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace and blessings.